Dave from Team Terry RVing. I got a package in the mail. It's from Mobile Communications Company. It's a company I partnered with to do a testing of their cell signal booster. I explained to the guy that at the company that I needed something that to boost my cell signal when the wife and I are out traveling and when we're boondocking. And he sent me this. It's a 4G LTE 6-band extreme power cell signals, and it's called a smoothtalker. And all he wanted me to do is to do an unboxing of the equipment and then do an install. The install will be at a later moment. But I want to go ahead and open this up and let it show you everything that come in the box. Now you gotta be smarter than the box to open it. Wow. There we go. They packaged that well. Alright, now we're gonna open this up. See what kind of goodies we got in here. First off, we got for the antenna cable. We have the where the phone sets in this cradle, and this is what hooks up to receive the cell boost. This is the power cord, runs off 12 volt to that. We have the antenna, that's a magnetic base. I'm not sure, I gotta find out if I got magnetics on top of the roof or not. And here's another for the cigarette lighter for the 12 volts. And then here's the cell booster itself. It's all 12 volt, very small, compact. Call in and one of the techs will walk me through this step by step, and if I get any questions, to call them.
So we're getting the stuff ready for the install. And we have this strong tape with a washer on it to put the antenna. Dave's out there putting the ladder up. I'm rolling.
Say a prayer so I don't fall. I'll pick a spot right there. Yeah, you got any alcohol? Yeah. And I'll get some alcohol and we'll scrub it off. Yeah. I'd rather, little. There we go, right there. That's why I stuck on there. It's two-sided tape. It's pretty much centered right there. And I'm going to run it underneath the air horns, down the side here. Then I'm going to have to go inside, drill a hole through the side of the cab. I tape the wiring down, or the antenna coax down, and I bring it over here and on down. 390. I gotta pull it, I can't push no more. Right here on this section of the wall, I'm going to put the signal booster against the wall there, and then I'm going to run the antenna and the power cables under the dash. It's going to come around under the dash and come up into the power booster. So the power booster is going to be setting similar to this right here, and then close it up tight. And it's a signal comes off the back. It'll work. This is where I attach the cell signal booster here on the side of the wall where the antenna comes in from up on the roof. Then I ran it across up underneath the dashboard, coming across, and we have a 12 volt outlet here that I hooked everything in. It's temporary until the other dual 12-volt comes in. But I think it looks decent enough. I got the wires all tied back. But that's it. Everything works great. Here, I call it the holster. It's where the phone goes, and underneath it is where the indoor antenna is underneath, which is hooked to the outdoor antenna. And you also have a charging outlet here.
And then down here, what's that?
12-volt. Okay, we're doing a test with the smoothtalker booster right now to see what the improvement. Okay, we've got the system all set up, the smoothtalker cell signal booster, and we're running a little test right now to see what the improvement of the system does for improving the signal for the cell phone. These are our last results here. We got a 13.4 and a 5.89. Okay, I want to end this video right now. Thank you very much for smoothtalker partnering with us on the cell phone booster. And we'd like to thank everybody that watches our videos. We really appreciate you very much. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe to our channel by hitting on the subscribe button. And also give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. But if you give us a thumbs down, let us know why. Thank you very much. Catch you on the road.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
We need 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye.